Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm here. I'm showing you my latest project that inspired by this lady from Facebook, and yeah, she made a beautiful journal. Is the shape is the long and the slim journal. I just want to try to make one. Yeah, I make two different colors here, and I show you what I did. And I make the flower here and tie the muslin fabric and make this flower to make a tie the book here. Okay, and open up. This is the front page, and I tie and layer with the paper like so. Okay, for the binding here is very simple that I make. I glue the fabric and the paper together and just bind them together. And I haven't glued this part yet because I want to show you how I did my binding. Very easy. Okay. The first page is I make it simple. I didn't do anything here. Print out all the paper, and all the paper I just wrinkle like so. And I get the paper like so. Yeah, I love the texture like so. And I print all these on the fabric. The fabric. And I get all this, and all is just glue. I didn't sew this book. Okay, and this is one of my handmade flower. And actually I haven't bind the book. I haven't stitched the pages together yet, because maybe I still want to add some more pictures here. So just like so, and layer the fabric here, and the split and the tag here. And all this is my hand dye fabric, muslin fabric. Make a pocket, make the tag here and match the color like so. Another two pocket here, and make an envelope with the tag and the buttons. Another with this beautiful paper. And glue this here like so. And flip so, and the button, the pocket here, and the layer of the fabric. And you can see I didn't glue them together, but I just leave it like so. Maybe I can make the pocket and put some more tag here or journaling. Yeah, and one more here is my tangle beads cover. Okay, this one page, so another pocket here, and this is one of the beautiful flower. Just put this one. I haven't glued it yet. Okay, page here. I'll glue this. Middle one, I glue this together. And this part here got many of the put this one here. Another two envelope. Okay, like so. This is the pocket here. This is the last page. This is the blue color. And I'll show you the purple one. Purple one. All the item is same, but the color, yeah, and the pattern is same. The paper. This is the purple one. So got this color. Also layer with the fabric and the paper, and the binding also the same. And this is the back. Okay. So this is the blue. Okay. And show you this page. I didn't do anything yet. The tangle bits with purple. And the tag here. With flower. And the same, but the tag is change the flower in the purple. The page also. Layer with the fabric. And the pocket. And the tag. And this is the purple one, with the dangling one. Handmade flower. So tag here. And the pocket here. The button. Another pocket here. And here this part I made another pocket here. And another pocket. The tag. Oh, this is a hand dye fabric. So another flower, purple one. So okay, yeah, this is my latest project, and thank you so much for the ladies that inspire, and I love how this turned out, and I really hope you all like this, my September project. And yeah, actually, yeah, it quite fast now. It's just August, but I already make my September kit, and like so. And yeah, thanks again everyone for stopping by and taking your time to leave me a comment. And if you like the project, and just give me a big thumbs up, and I truly appreciate each one. And take care, and bye bye everyone.